Chef Ricardo is back in the kitchen with another one. We're gonna be doing an amazing green smoothie with all of the basic recipe, which is very healthy, that you guys can also use at home. All right. It's gonna be a very quick one. It's not gonna be like too long and drying out. I'm gonna try and do it very quickly, fast, and simple. All right. So, first of all, I must simply say to you, I got some fresh ginger, cucumber, the beautiful trick. What's going on with you now? Thank you so much for coming on the show. And some cucumber, lemon, and celery. All right. Yeah. So we're gonna get our blender. So this is our blender right here. A little bit white because of the amount of blending what take place with it is a little bit so earsism is in the building, man. Pick up yourself. Big up yourself. Rise straight through the year, your support. All right. Yeah. So things looking good. All right. What we're gonna do? I'm going to put in some apple, cucumber, and some celery, and we're gonna get some ginger. All right. So let's put in some more. Nice one. Also, I got some celery. I like my celery. This one a little bit dodgy right here. So right here, we're going to put in some ginger, some fresh ginger inside of it. All right. And once you put in that beautiful fresh ginger, all right, we're gonna squeeze half of a lemon juice into it. All right. That looks amazing. Also, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a pinch of apple cider vinegar in it. All right, just a pinch, not too much, of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna put some organic honey inside of it, roughly about a teaspoon of organic honey. All right, and then we're gonna put some water inside of it, roughly about a cup. All right, 1 cup of water inside of it. That is lovely. Now we're going to take it to the blend. All right. Yeah, and that's the way it look right there, guys. Okay. So as you guys can see, that's it right here. Okay. Now we're going to take it to the blend, and that looking good. So we're gonna make some noise. Nice one. Okay. That looking lovely. So I'm gonna have to use my big mug for this drink today. All right? Yeah. So here we go right here. All right. So we're just gonna pour it out just like this. All right. That looks amazing. As you guys can see, that looks really yummy and looking good. Yeah. So far, that's the way it look. And definitely, I know you guys will love this. And an amazing recipe. Very healthy green smoothie. You can strain it and also you can drink it naturally like that. It's option. Which one you guys gonna like? All right. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in, and we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. And you know what I mean, as I said, I know it's Christmas. We should be doing some turkey and yeah, but yeah, we're just keeping it really simple for the new year to come. All right. Now you can also put some chai seeds in it. You can put spinach in it, as I have green apple, ginger, lemon, and celery, and cucumber, which is beautiful. Here's the thing. What's going on, man? We got some good news for you coming in now, so look forward for that. Big up yourself, man. Thank you so much for the support for 2022. It was amazing. No, I can't complain. Thank you so much for the support. So amazing. Thank you so much. 1,000,000%, man. Really appreciate it.